Are you looking for a fish curry that's simple to make but packed with flavors? Today on Ranna Roshmita, we are making Meen Moilee, a rich, creamy and mildly spiced fish curry straight from the serene backwaters of Kerala. Let's start with marinating the fish. For the fish, we are using Barramundi cut into steaks, but feel free to swap it with any firm-fleshed fish like Pomfret or Surmai. First, season the fish with salt, turmeric powder, a dash of crushed black pepper, and the key ingredient lemon juice to get rid of any fishy smell. Give the fish pieces a good rub, making sure all the pieces are evenly coated. Then set aside for about 15 minutes to let the flavors soak in. Now onto the Moilee curry. In a pan or kadhai, heat some refined oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, temper it with mustard seeds and whole cumin seeds. Next, toss in some ginger paste, garlic paste, chopped chilies for a bit of heat, and fresh curry leaves. Fry everything until the fragrance fills your kitchen. Oh, the combo of curry leaves and chilies sizzling in hot oil is pure heaven. Now add some chopped onions and saute until they are translucent. There is no requirement to brown them. Once that's done, sprinkle in turmeric powder for that beautiful golden color and salt to taste. Remember, we have already salted the fish, so go easy. Turn the heat low and pour in the thin coconut milk. Then stir gently to prevent it from curdling. Carefully slide the marinated fish pieces into the curry. Add the remaining marinade for all the flavors. Cover the pan and let the fish gently poach for about 10 minutes. As it simmers, the curry will thicken and the fish will soak up all that lovely flavor. Once the fish is cooked, remove the lid and stir in thick coconut milk for the luxurious creamy texture. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice over the top to brighten the flavors. And finish it off with a dollop of ghee. Give it all a swirl to mix, being careful not to break the fish. Then take it off the heat, cover the pan and let the curry rest for 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it, a luscious, creamy and fragrant fish moilee ready to serve. Pair it with some steaming hot rice or appams for the ultimate South Indian experience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, and as always, happy cooking!